Top of the morning. It's a Sunday morning, man. Making my way up to it's called CFcharities, man. It's a supercar show. All type of exotics popping out. It's right down here by the stadiums in Philly. So the thing is, I just got off the phone with my buddy and my pops. There's 4 or 3 other events happening at the same time in the same place. So like, there's certain lots reserved for different events. So you gotta make sure you pull into the correct one for my event. You know what I mean? So I'm about to pull up. I'm like 3 minutes away, and hopefully I can just pull right in, no issue. I heard it's like a complete clusterfuck down there though. Oh, it's such a bad fucking bump. But I'm excited though. There's a bunch of stuff out. I was on the phone with my dad. I heard a bunch of GTRs just eating. My favorite. But yeah, so there's Citizens Bank Park that way, and I'm supposed to be off of 7th Street. So I'm gonna figure it out, man. Yeah, it's just packed as hell right now. Jeez. GT3 RS. The Brabus. Jeez. Finally made it. Just about to pay for parking. Jeez. The F40? Yeah. What's going on?
Look.
What's up, Katie? Yep. Damn, that joint wide, yo.
It's like on the ground, dude.
Yeah.
Look how wide that joint is now.
Oh, Mark 4, old school super coming up. Mark 4, John. You about to do a burnout or something? Oh, he launched it. Back up. Back up. That's clean right here. Yeah, turbo?
V8 by turbo, man.
GTR. Alpha tune.
Look at that cut, right?
Yeah, that was an Alpha Tune GTR, yo. Them joints stupid fast. Yeah, I had to cut some people off, man. Lady was like, stop.
Yeah, they be tripping. Dude, I was trying to come in right here, and they told me this ain't it, right?
Why?
I went all the way back down and around. That joint sick. Seen one of those
A-Specs. Yeah.
Came back over here, and I was good.
That's
And
weird.
Look, perfect spot.
Yeah, I know. I saw your car. I was like, all right. Yeah, C63 with the ABT.
S63.
Oh, I'm tripping.
C63 though. You
That's the S jet? Yeah. It looked different in person. I'll be right in Bull Mid with it.
I don't care. Still got burgundy guts.
What? God damn. 1 of 121. He good. Look at that Ford, yo. That's crazy. Sheesh. Yeah. Eat the yard. So sick. You first for it? Tell me it's a dream car without telling me it's a dream car.
Oh yeah, by me running, I don't gotta say nothing.
Yo, what's good? We had the car show. We had the car show right
I
here.
know. As soon as we got here, they're already leaving, so.
Sixers are about to win game 1.
Oh,
You already
yo.
know.
Who we playing? I don't even know who we playing in
Playing the
playoffs.
Atlanta Hawks. Trae Young is trash.
Period.
Fernando's calling me right now. He don't know where we're at.
Yeah,
The game is like right behind us, too.
bro, we're waiting for you, dude. Like, I don't know where you are.
more time to break down.
Yo, what's good? Yeah, so we got the Diablo SV V2.
You dropping some big facts on all these supercars out here.
So check this out, right? So Lamborghini wanted to make their own headlights, but they didn't. They didn't have the money for it. So what they did was they actually asked Nissans if they can borrow their headlights from the 300ZX.
Crazy.
So when they put those in there, they made sure to cover up the actual insignia on the back of the headlights.
Showing manufactured Nissan. That's insane. So straight off a 300ZX. But on a Lamborghini Diablo, that's crazy. Barely pulling up to pick up the supercars. I knew they were coming, yeah.
I know, we were just talking about it.
Yeah. This thing is crazy looking.
Yo, get in there.
Yeah.
Yo, the panel inside the door is like.
It's like
me
steep.
to you. It's like this. That's how wide the panel
Really?
is, bro.
Sheesh.
Yo, that joint is going up top, making room in the bottom. Like, what the fuck kind of rich shit is that?
You got 2 stories in a fucking trailer.
It's a whole different tax bracket conversation.
Yeah.
They're like
Clutching. Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing is a squirt?
Get people away from it.
Yeah.
I would stall that shit out. Yo, seriously.
Look at that F40 up there, bro. I hope it's gonna fall.
Yeah, what if the F40
I would cry, yeah. Doing a little photo shoot. Just gonna wrap it up, man. Super hot out, but definitely worth it. Appreciate everyone tuning in, as always. You know what I mean? If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, give me some feedback. I'm trying new things every time I vlog, man. Just try to, you know, find my style, see what works, see what doesn't work. Just kind of go from there. There's Astro Ream. I'm tuning out.